Welcome to Connecticut, site of Trump's latest smart facility. We'll take a tour in a little bit, but first let's get to your top stories in Photonics Spectra Now.
Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Ceram Optic. Innovative fiber optics every step of the way. Visit ceramoptic.com to learn more. And by Norland Products, pioneering high-performance adhesives and specialized solutions since 1960. Visit their all-new website at norlandproducts.com.
Welcome to Photonics Spectra Now. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonics Spectra. Luminar is going through a bit of a shakeup with CEO Austin Russle out following an ethics inquiry. The automotive LiDAR company announced Russell's resignation following what it called a Code of Business Conduct and Ethics inquiry. Paul Ricci has been named as Russell's replacement. The new CEO is expected to release more details on the company's direction soon. MKS announces they're going through a bit of a change too, tweaking their name and making some adjustments to their leadership team. The technology solutions company will drop the instruments portion of its name and be simply known as MKS Inc. MKS also announced that James Schreiner will wrap his tenure as leader of the Material Solutions Division in August and will return to his role as Executive Vice President and COO. David Henry, the company's current VP of Operations and Corporate Marketing, will transition into that vacated role. Gooch and Halsko will further expand their footprint in the U.S. aerospace and defense industries with their new acquisition of Global Photonics. G&H says adding the Florida-based specialist in complex optical systems and thin film coatings establishes its Tampa facility as a U.S. Center of Excellence for Optical Systems. Global Photonics optical systems for military applications include periscopes and fire control systems, as well as instruments for air platforms and other advanced precision optics. Quantinuum has announced that they'll establish a joint venture in Qatar. Details of the new agreement with Al Raban Capital, a Qatari investment and advisory firm, state that Qatar will invest up to $1 billion in quantum technologies and workforce development. The quantum computing company has made several moves this year to expand its global presence, including plans to open a new R&D facility in New Mexico. Thales has created a new standalone company with hopes to develop a new energy source through nuclear fusion. GenF, which had launched back in January, has since signed a multi-million-dollar contract to develop its first fusion laser. Thales, GenF's parent company, will contribute expertise in high-powered lasers. Today's ribbon cutting marked the grand opening of this smart facility, and with more than just manufacturing capacity for other companies, this initiative also brings broader things like apprenticeships and training programs to the area. The new facility can provide the blueprint for smarter manufacturing processes for businesses both big and small. Expansions to its training facility offer real-world experience to 4,000 students annually. And a new apprenticeship program in conjunction with the state of Connecticut will widen outreach to other companies offering access to high-tech equipment and skilled professionals. And could it be possible to diagnose autism simply by snapping a picture of your hands? According to a new study published in the journal Autism Research, AI could be used to detect autism just by looking at how we grasp objects between our fingers. Scientists at York University used motion tracking and machine learning systems to track dozens of simple movements like finger speed and hand trajectory. Plugging that data into a machine learning system, research results showed that the system could correctly detect whether someone had autism with up to 89% accuracy. Growing research suggests that autism is not only a social and behavioral condition, but also one that impacts motor coordination. Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in our industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching. Now, where did I park my car?